Hi, welcome. My name is Astrid. I want to share with you what is yoga for me. I love yoga. Yoga is for me like a nectar for my soul. When I stretch, breathe, and meditate, I am able to disconnect from this world and to enter into a space of serenity. I also love to teach yoga. My heart is so happy when others relax and are able to connect with themselves. Yoga is helping me to discover who I am. It's my only way of living. Yoga offers me balance, equanimity, clarity, unconditional love, compassion, forgiveness, inspiration, and relaxation for my body. Yoga gives me a purpose of life, which is to experience peace within me. Yoga means union with the divine. Yoga is giving me an experience with my essence. I am grateful that yoga chose me. I would love for you to join me. Thank you for listening. See you soon.
This way. Ensure your weight is on your neck, legs are separate.